Ugh, another dreary day at Chapman Manufacturing. Just kidding. It's absolutely beautiful outside our shipping department today. And as much as I'd love to sit here and look out the window all day, that's not what they keep me around for. So I'm going to make some teal sets instead. Now, I know you guys have seen me assemble sets a few times now, but I really just wanted to highlight this teal color set because, in my opinion, it's the best color we have. I mean, sure, the red, the orange, the yellow, the blue, they all get all the hype, but don't sleep on this teal. It is so pretty. This color is a Chapman employee favorite, and for some reason, it just doesn't get the attention it deserves, so we're showcasing it today. Of course, while the outside color can change, the inside stuff all stays the same, so we're making a master set today. As per usual, the inside of this set has your Phillips SAE hex, metric hex slotted star that fits Torx. It's got all the tools you need to go with it: a ratchet, 2 extensions, a handle, and a spinner. You guys know the drill. It's a master set. It's got everything you need in there. Of course, all of the colors I talked about earlier are in stock. We do have a limited supply of these teal cases, so get them while you can and don't wait. Anyway, that's all I had to say today. I'm going to go back to the shipping window and look longingly outside.